Hi friends, now I am going to tell you how to log in through FALAAH eEDUCATION app. First click on the app, then start the app by clicking next. You will get two options here, one is login and another is registration. If you have done registration, then you have to do login, then type your mobile number and enter your password. And then click on login. Then app will be started, and when you have to see live lectures, then there is option live lectures uh, on the corner of right side. Click on that. You will see we can't seem to find any lectures here. You have to go in batches and choose online police bharti batch. Then you will get the live lectures of that class. And if you have only one class, then you will get all lectures automatically. Then click on join now for attending the lecture. It will be started by Zoom app. Meeting will be started after connecting. And then click on join audio option, call via device audio, and then your voice will be activated.